Ew, so dirty.
Yeah, but where's the soap?
Look, there, a lot of soap.
Ah, okay. Wait here, I need to pay first. Hello, how much is to use a washing machine?
You can check on the board.
Oh, okay. Ah, it's $10. Here you go.
Washing tablets are on the table.
Oh, okay, thank you. Everything okay, Arthur?
Yeah, sure.
Let's take that machine.
This one,
What's the problem? You don't like that one?
no, this one is busy. Let's take that one. Uh-oh.
Oh, Arthur, I need to go to the bathroom. Can you put soap in it and start it?
Sure, no problem.
Oh, thank you.
It is very dirty. I'm gonna take another one. More soap.
Oh, man!
Oh, Arthur, did you finish it? Let's go.
And our clothes.
We will come back in an hour when it's finished.
Oh, okay.
Oh, 1 hour. I'll wait here. What is happening?
Oh, man!
It comes from our washing machine.
Yeah.
Arthur, how much soap did you put in?
10.
Arthur, you're crazy. One is enough.
But our clothes were so dirty.
This is too much. Look at the mess.
What happened?
I put on my soap.
And who was gonna clean all of this now? Not me.
We will clean this. We made this mess.
Good luck with that.
Oh man.
Is that Avelina? She has chips? Where did she get them? I also want them. Security cameras. I have an idea. Dad!
You're back already?
Yes! Do you know they have chips in this place?
Really? That would be yummy!
Yeah, but one problem. Avelina's got all of them.
She's also here. Why don't we take one from her?
Exactly my idea.
I got an idea. I'm gonna take these glasses, put them on. See, you cannot even recognize me anymore. I'm gonna ring a door, and she's gonna open it. I'm gonna be a cleaner, and I'm gonna take her crisps.
What an excellent idea!
I know. I'm full of good ideas.
If you're a 3-year-old, Dad, are you serious? That will never work.
Oh, you got a better idea?
Yeah, security cameras. Look. There she is. Here, I'll zoom in.
Whoa, that is so cool.
Dad, take this.
What am I gonna do with this?
Dad, you check the screen and tell me when she goes inside, okay?
Oh, okay. Good luck.
Bye. Dad, tell me when she leaves.
She's coming, but she took her crisps aside.
Oh, okay, thanks. Hello? Kids.
Where did she go? Did you get it? Hello?
Trying to steal my crisps?
Yeah, I wondered where you got them.
I brought them from home. You want one?
Really? Yeah?
Could have asked nicely. Here, take it and then go.
Thank you.
If you want something, just ask nicely, kids. Don't just take it.
Avelina, look! I'm going to shoot this ball into the top wall.
You're never gonna shoot it in one try.
Oh, yes, I will. Watch me. Okay, focus, focus, shoot! Woohoo! I told you!
It's easy. I will try it now.
No, I'm playing this game.
Guys! Don't fight, girls! It's a game!
But I want to try it! Me too!
You know what? We'll do a match, and I will be the referee!
Can we also play?
Sure, let me tell you the rules. Row 1 is 1 point. Row 2, 2 points. Row 3, 3 points. Amelia can start first.
Okay, focus, focus, shoot!
Good job! 2 points!
Not bad! I'll do better. We'll see. 3, 3, 3!
2 as well! So, you got 2 points, and Amelia 2 points. Both of you 2 points.
Okay, like Ronaldo. 3, 2, 1.
Not how Ronaldo will do it. Ah!
Huh! Now all of you got 2 points. Arthur, are you gonna be the winner?
What's that smell?
Ew, what is that smell? When did you wash those feet last?
Christmas?
Christmas? Ew! Oh, ew. Let's go and wash. Oh, ew, Arthur. Ew. Oh. Much better. And now we can play soccer again. Woohoo! Are you ready, Arthur?
Go on, Maddie.
Ah! 3 points for Arthur!
What?
Arthur, you won! You're the winner! Amelia, Akim, time to go to school.
Okay.
Okay.
Toeftoef has a new song. You want to hear it, guys?
Okay. Oh no, Akim! We forgot a small bag! Oh no!
And now what?
And now we can have some fun upstairs.
Yeah!
Next!
You want some popcorn?
Yeah!
Akim, look! I'll throw it in from here.
You can do that.
Just watch. Yes! Told ya!
Did you hear that?
Yeah! What is that?
It's locked. But I'll be back with a special key.
Oh no! We have to be ready when he comes back!
Nice song, guys. Guys? What? Guys! Oh no! I left them at home!
When Thief comes back, we'll pour all this water on him.
Yes, good idea.
I have the special key to open the door.
Amelia, quickly! He's here!
Coming, coming!
Come on!
Oh no! Dad is back!
Quickly!
Nice!
What? We thought you were a thief!
Nice! And now we're late for school.
Late for school! How unfortunate! Huh? It would be so nice if there would be even a little bit of snow this year. Let's have some fun with those kids. What? Snow? Where did that come from? I got to tell Avelina and Akim. Now no more snow for you. Snow! Snow! Guys, there's snow outside! Wow! Real snow! Huh?
Where's the snow, Amelia?
What? I don't understand! But it was here a few minutes ago!
Yeah, right! You pranked us, Amelia! There's no snow!
I don't understand. Weird. That was so much fun! Let's try it again! What? What? How is it possible? For the second time? I'll prove it this time. Guess what, guys?
More snow.
Yup, for real.
Yeah, right!
I can prove it to you. Snow, disappear! What? What is going on? Is it the Ice Queen?
No, she doesn't exist, remember?
Yeah, somebody must be doing this with magic or something.
Could it be Ben Amelia?
Only one way to find out. There she is! I see Ben Amelia, and she has a magic stick?
Wait, how did you get a magic stick?
I don't know! Let's see what she does next. This is so much fun! You know what? Let's make it summer now!
Hi kids! Nobody here?
Oh! It's Dad!
Are those flowers? Wow! I don't know how it's possible, but I'm gonna get my summer clothes!
This is going to be epic! Watch this!
I love summer.
Now, this will be fun!
Snow? What?
Did you see that? Let's do something about this.
Freezing outside, guys.
Yeah, and we know why. I love snow. Oh.
Looking for this?
Bye. Oh, there, Amelia. Thanks for the snow. Bye. I love